Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your NewsBreak Creator account. Firstly, what you need to do is open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down newsbreak.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your NewsBreak official homepage, in the left-hand side, there's this icon for the sign in. Click onto the sign in there. So here you can also continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook if you have previously signed in with these. Or you can simply type down your email address and your correct password and click on with the sign in, and you'll be successfully logged in to your NewsBreak Creator account. Logging in to NewsBreak is a simple process that gives users access to personalized features and better news reading experience. And by using the correct login method and keeping account information secure, users can quickly access their account. And that is it. This is how you can log into your NewsBreak Creator account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.